Aloha and welcome to KTA Kitchens. I'm Chef Ryan Covert and today I'm going to demonstrate a spring pea hummus. It's a sure crowd pleaser for your next dinner party, so let's get started with the ingredients. The ingredients for this recipe include a package of frozen peas, we have zest of 1 lemon, juice of lemon, we have cream cheese, fresh basil roughly chopped, pepper and salt. And we're just basically going to put all the ingredients to the food processor and puree until smooth. This is a super simple dish you're surely going to love on a hot spring day. Let's get started with assembling this dish. So we're going to add the frozen peas that have been thawed, and you want to make sure that you kind of pat them dry with a paper towel so it removes excess water. We're going to add the lemon zest to this. It's important when you're zesting a lemon to only zest the yellow part and not the white, because the white becomes bitter in this. And then we're going to add the lemon juice, the cream cheese, the fresh basil that's been roughly chopped, and of course the pepper and the salt. And that's pretty much it. You're just gonna now puree it into a smooth consistency. So let's get started with that. And about halfway through, you wanna open this up and you wanna get around the edges so it purees smoother. So it's been pureed for about a couple minutes, and it's kind of up to you how you like your consistency. It can either be a chunky or a smooth. So next step is just to plate it and give it a taste. Let's do that. We just plated our spring pea hummus dip. Now for the best part, let's give this a taste. Now you can use any cracker that you really enjoy. I like rice crackers. You really taste the fresh basil, the lemon. I think you're really gonna enjoy this. I recommend pairing this with a Chardonnay or a Pinot Grigio. Until next time, I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and thank you for joining me in KTA Kitchens. You can find more recipes at KTA Superstores.com/recipes. Aloha.